Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chicago. I am here because I have a gadget today. We'll see if it works. It's called Selene Makeup Brush Cleaner. So, here's what you get for your product. Let me tilt this down a little bit. Oof, there goes my water. All right, let's put it down like this. So they give you this little bowl. Oh, please don't be cracked. All right, it's not cracked. And you get a plastic ring and you get a rubber ring underneath it. So you put those on to fit. You're not going to fill it up with a bunch of water because you don't want to get this metal part. You only want it to fill like, you're only doing halfway up. Okay, because that's where the powders are. So you get this little gadget here. It runs on 2 batteries, 2 AAA batteries. So you get this little gadget, and you get this little pokey thingy. It looks like a pokey thingy, right? It sticks, I'll show you in a minute. You get this. This is what's the important thing. This part right here. This, can you guys see this? I hope so. Okay, so these little rubber gadgets here come in all sizes, and what you do is, like, I will clean this brush first. So what we need to do is find a brush head that will hold this. So it looks like it's going to have to be this one. So let's take this one off. We're going to have to shove it in there a little bit. Come on. Stick in there. You want to stick it in there evenly so it doesn't wobble. Okay? As good as you can get it, as tight as you can get it. Hopefully that looks even enough. Well, we're going to try it for the first time, right? We're going to see. Then this little guy gets shoved in the bottom. And then you shove this guy and let's see what happens. Ooh, do you see this? Okay, so what we're going to do is, all you do is you're supposed to do the brush like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just getting them dunked. They're not fully submerged at all. It's only halfway. So then we turn it on, right? Oop. I'm going down 1. I don't know. I'm putting it down again. Wow, it just... Okay, so I'm putting it in. I say like 5 seconds, keep it in. And then pull it up. And do it for 10. And it's creating like a little tornado in there. How cute, how cute. Okay. And they say, well, it should be almost dry is what they say, but it's not. I'll put it in for another 10 seconds. I think because it's wobbling. And it's a big brush. I'm thinking that maybe my Selene is an older model. And then you just reformulate. Oh, you know what? It is kind of dry. Then you just reform your brush bristles, right? Just put them back together.
This sounds cool, whatever she's doing.
Yeah, and look, I have a clean brush.
I will see after the video's done. I will see it.
Yeah, so let's see. Let's see how it works with the blush brush. Let's see. This thing is kind of filthy. Kind of filthy. I have my hair in there. It's funny that these are not exact fitting. I wonder why not. They just go like right up to This is an e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. But I guess as long as it fits a little bit, right? And then we shove this tack looking thing up the other side. Stick it in there. Okay, we're gonna 5 seconds, turn it on. Ooh, look at all that filth. Oh, the filth is coming out. I'm thinking maybe I should have had more water. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The gadget lady's here.
Oof. You know what? It feels dry.
Really?
And it's clean. It's clean. It's absolutely clean. You see that? That's kind of cool.
So if you guys use makeup a lot and you want to have a fast, easy way to clean your makeup, try this stuff.
I filled it. I put a little bit of water in it, and I put 2 squirts of antibacterial hand soap in it. Okay.
So it's not that hard to use.
No, you just want to make sure. Ooh, ooh. Oh wow.
What?
Well, this one wasn't a round brush. It was kind of flat.
So 10 out of 10.
1,
What would you give
2,
it? 1 out of 10.
3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting for it to dry off. Oh, it didn't dry this one very well. I'm just gonna hold it this way instead of going in the water. It flattens it like a pancake. Can you guys see that? It's like a little fan. Ah! Let's turn it off. Well, it did leave this one still kind of moist. That word. It's a little damp. And these rubber sockets are kind of hard to peel off. But you know what? This foundation brush, I'd say, you see, I have them laying here on a kitchen towel, like this. I'd say this thing will dry in, I'd say, half an hour, easy. Yeah, the dirt, the water is already. So, what, babe?
Pretty good product.
I think it's a pretty good product so far. It works on batteries. I mean, you can't beat that.
Okay.
So
So
now,
the results. 1 out of 10. What do you give it?
you know what? I'm gonna give it an 8 because you can't use double-sided. You can't wash your double-sided. Yeah, you can't wash your double-sided brushes in here, which really stinks. So that's not cool. I don't like that. They have a good.
So besides that, everything else is good.
Well, yeah, they have a good assortment of head tips, and as long as you screw it in and you make sure that it's, even. It's good. If I could just, I guess I would have to take my time. And well, there's a lot of lather. You don't want it going on the metal part. Don't want it. Okay, see, this is exactly what it's talking about. How it's wobbling. Why are you wobbling, buddy? Why are you wobbling? Yeah, I'm sure this must be an old one because the rubber feels kind of sticky, you know? Ooh. Oh, that's weird. If I hold it with 2 hands, it goes bananas. But if I just use 2 fingers, it's fine. That's weird. I think to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and wash all the brushes. All right, now let's hold this one up for 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll hold it up for 10. It's like dry. It's dry. You can use it.
Yeah, guys, if you want to see
Wow.
more makeup videos like
This is a really good Oh, I like it. It's good. Let me take this off. So it was working pretty good. Look at all the dirty water. Can you see? That was clear water. And that's just from doing 4 brushes. And you probably should be cleaning your brushes, I'd say, if you do a lot of water-based stuff and eye powders, once every 10 days, every 14 days, if you have one of those little mats that you can wipe your shadows off on. But this is like a good deep cleansing. So I'm just going to dump this and then I'll refill it up. And what I think I'll do is I'll take a couple of these, like this one was really caked, and I'll go back in with the clean water and see if there's anything left. And if there is, I'll pin it in the comments. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to my co-host.
Yep, and I've announced stuff too. If you want to see more makeup videos like this and some Fortnite gaming videos, make sure to check out her channel, like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss a quality banger like this. Guys, see you in the next video.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for
We'll see you in the
watching.
next video. Bye.